Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is perseverance. Perseverance is a noun that means continuing to work toward a goal despite difficulty, failure, delay, or discouragement, especially when success requires patience, determination, and endurance. For example, her perseverance showed as she practiced French pronunciation every morning for 6 months, repeating difficult sounds until native speakers understood her clearly. The team's perseverance kept the project alive after three failed prototypes and two rejected pitches. They revised the design and contacted new investors. His perseverance kept him applying for apprenticeships after repeated rejections. Each week, he improved his resume, practiced interviews, and submitted new applications. Synonyms for perseverance include persistence, determination, endurance, tenacity, and resolve. Perseverance is neutral to formal and strongly positive, describing continued effort despite difficulty, failure, or slow progress. It often suggests admirable patience and determination over time. That's perseverance. One word, stronger English.